SPM truly started in the basement of a house on Sayre Avenue in Chicago, Illinois. My father was an instrument maker, okay? And the thing about an instrument maker is they cover all professions. They're machinists, they're metallurgists. What you do with a instrument maker is you give him a chunk of metal and he'll hand you back an instrument. Okay, I wish I could say I was a full-fledged instrument maker. I'm not. I'm the machinist of the family. But our basement was an actual shop. We had 2 lathes, we had multiple drill presses, we had grinders. Okay, and even in grammar school, myself, my brothers, and my father did all the repairs for the dental instruments, and I ran the lathes and made the component parts. All right, so that's where truly my education and my love for machining started.
I think what allows SPM to stand out from what I've heard from our customers is our customer service is pretty fantastic. I'd like to say that it's the people that work here. We have a very good, close-knit, not just family, but employee base, a good team base that supports our customers very well. And we're pretty dang good at what we do. You know, we know how to machine, we're experts in that field. We understand the importance of quality, and we completely understand the importance of making your customers happy. And I think that's what sets us apart, where some companies may not know that those are the 3 key factors, or they're focused on one thing more than the other, where SPM is, no, in order to be successful, you gotta make sure you are good at all 3 of those.
Well, there's a few things that set us apart, I think. One, you have to listen to your customer. You have to understand their needs. 2, we try to partner with every customer we have. Now, there's many companies out there that, companies and vendors that claim they have a partnership, but a lot of times it's one-sided. To have a true partnership, there has to be transparency. You have to work together towards DFM, Design for Manufacturability. So you want to get in the early stages of a product so that it's easy to make changes to that product for manufacturability. Customers appreciate that. If you can get a customer to do that with you, better for him, better for us. And lastly, we have to deliver our products on time with quality.
Quality is really our main focus here, and everyone's involved in it. It starts from when we get a job ticket or a quote from the door all the way to when it ships out the door. We are focused on making sure that it goes through here smoothly, and also that it's up to the standards that the customer needs. I mean, your customer is always right, no matter what. They're the ones that we're striving to satisfy. So that is our goal. Quality is our main focus, and that's what we're proud about, putting a product in front of someone and saying, this is what we make.